We definitely have been dealing with a lot of that wildfire smoke, but after last weekend, we had a cold front that cooled us down a little bit. Now we're seeing that heat re-amplify starting tomorrow, especially as we have a chance at seeing another triple-digit day in Boise. So far, the City of Trees has had 9 days with 100 degrees or warmer in 2026. So we've already surpassed our total amount in 2025, which was 7 days. We may be tacking on a few more days now as high pressure builds into the Pacific Northwest, the West Coast altogether, and really continues to build and takes our heat upwards day by day for the next few days ahead of us. Looking at this week and a half high temperature trend for Boise, after we hit 100 tomorrow, we could inch up a few more degrees all the way through the start of the weekend. By the wrap of the weekend, Sunday, we may start to see those temperatures falling once again, but we're definitely going to be watching for heat-related illnesses this weekend until those temperatures start to fall back to a normal territory. Our average high this time of year is 94 degrees, so definitely warmer than what we typically see. And we will also see warmer starts to our days as well. Over the past few days when we had that temperature cool down, the mornings were a little brisk in some areas. Stanley this morning was at 28 degrees. Boise was in the low 60s, but we're going to see those early morning temperatures warm up over the next couple of days as well, to where we're not then seeing too much relief from the warm temperatures. Upper 60s, low 70s even may be where Boise stays over the next couple of days. Now onto the wildfire smoke front. We can see that there are dozens of fires still burning across the Northwest, and a reminder that each of these dots shows the fires that are burning, and we continue to see a lot of that smoke coming in from the west-northwest direction. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, it does seem like the amounts of smoke in our air may lighten up a little bit based on this model here. And again, this is to show or to predict the amount of smoke in our air, not the air quality in particular. So by the time we get to Friday, this is 11 a.m. on the last day of the work week, we can see that parts of southern Idaho, mostly the central portions of it, do see lighter amounts compared to areas further north. And the green and yellow is not showing nothing, but it's lower amounts of smoke in our air compared to the colors of red and then purple as well. Tomorrow, I would say our air quality looks like it could be still in the orange category, unhealthy for some. Again, as we keep saying, it does continue to fluctuate, and it is an estimation. There's no guarantee. So I would say count or prepare for at least a couple more days of hazy skies. Unfortunately, we will pair that with significant heat as well, as Boise's looking at this stretch of triple-digit days ahead of us. Hopefully by Sunday, we start to cool down into the beginning of next week.